Oh man, I don't know how long this vlog gonna last. Only got 2 bars for battery, and I don't think I brought my extra batteries. Alright guys, my name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this is going to be day 2 of Vlogtober. I am going to be showing you some of my favorite things, fall things to get from Trader Joe's. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm going to pick up a few of my pumpkin spice everything products, as well as do a little grocery shopping because I do need to pick up a couple of things. So I'm going to try to, I guess if I don't get it all on my camera, I'm going to have to resort to my cell phone because I forgot my batteries, but hopefully they will last in this video. I won't be doing a whole bunch of talking and stuff. I'll just pretty much just be showing y'all things at Trader Joe's that I do like, and you know, hopefully maybe you will like them too. But let's go, let's get started, because Trader Joe's starting to get a little packed up in here, y'all, and I ain't got the time to be fighting no old BDs for groceries and stuff. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this pumpkin blondie brownies. Never had this before, but I'm gonna try it. And it is $4.49, so yeah. Apple cider donuts. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Let's see how many calories are on here. Let's see. Oh my god. Each donut is 320 calories. Oh my god. When does these expire? 10/4. I think I'm gonna put these back because I might be able to do this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back for, this is gonna be something I'm gonna get for a girls' night that we're having on Friday the 13th. So I'm gonna come back. That might be what I bring and get 2 boxes, because baby, I can't eat this. And since I said that about the the donuts, I think I'm gonna put this back too, because your girl's trying to lose some weight, and I don't need no pumpkin brownies either. But these pumpkin bagels though looking pretty good, and they are 240 calories. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna get that, not the bagels, but let me go continue to look around. Okay, I'm gonna grab about 2 of these vanillas. And so much strawberry. I don't want strawberry. I did 2 strawberry. And I think I might try the blueberry. Alright, so I'm gonna grab some Alfredo sauce because I want my pasta. They got pancake. Oh, just a pancake one. YouTube. Yeah, I like Trader Joe's. I'm gonna grab this because I can't remember if I have. Oh, they got tagliatelle. I like tagliatelle. Yes. I like these better. Alright guys, I've never had these before, but the fact that they say shortbread cookies, I love shortbread cookies. They have pumpkin spice and yogurt coating. Like, baby, I think I'm about to get these. Oh, hopefully this don't fall. Okay, yeah. I'm about to check this out because it look like something I might like. Oh, this would be cute for a date night. Date night in, guys. Caramel apple dipping kit. I would get this, but I'm going to the fair Saturday, so it wouldn't make sense. They also have these Halloween Cookies at Trader Joe's with vanilla cream. I don't know if I want that, but yeah, that's what they got. Alright, so someone told me to get the vegetable fried rice, and I can mix it, like I can cook my own meat and then mix this if I want to do like some fried rice, maybe like brulee hibachi. So I'm gonna grab this. Alright, so this is what I have at the house, guys. I won't be getting any today, but if you ever in Trader Joe's, you need to get this. It is the teriyaki, the barbecue teriyaki chicken. Is fully cooked. All you gotta do is pop it in the microwave. But I like to do mine on the stove. And I have a vlog where I actually made this. But y'all, MVP, gotta get this. Y'all, I cannot leave without these. These are my favorite. Oh yes, I'm grabbing 2 of these boxes, y'all, because these go by fast. And if you wait too long, you gonna have these on. So get these, can't go wrong. These are good for a quick breakfast, a little snack. This is my favorite. Because I am a tea drinker, I am gonna get this. Can't go wrong. But while I'm over here in the tea section, this is like my other like favorite tea right here. So definitely add this if you're a green tea and you like mint. This tea is the way to go. I really like this one. I ain't never had this, y'all, but this one looking a little low, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this because I'm gonna try this, because if it's not a lot, that means it is popular and that means it's good. So let me see, how do you hot I'm gonna try this because a lot of people got it, so I'm gonna try it. All right, so I'm gonna be making some ground beef later this week, so just gonna grab some ground beef, guys. We'll make be making some chili. I think the pumpkin bagel is calling my name. So I think I'm gonna get the pumpkin cream cheese, and then I'm gonna go back and get those pumpkin bagels. All right, y'all, so I gotta get me some organic lemonade. I'm gonna actually grab 2. This is what I use to make my matcha lemonades at home. So, and I go through them fast. So yeah, I'll show y'all one day like how I do it. Man, it's looking like it wants me to pick these up. 110. I might actually grab these and see. Yes. Huh? All right, guys, groceries are secured. So that will be the end of this video for Vlogtober day 2. These October vlogs are going to be short since I have to put out 31 videos for October. So yeah, so that was it. I didn't get a chance to show y'all by the time he got time finished ringing up. The total had already disappeared, and I was using my cell phone because I didn't want my battery to die on you guys. But the total of the groceries that I got was a whopping $75. So baby, we not eating not this week. We gonna eat at home. Anytime I think about, want to grab something to eat, baby, we got food at home. So thank you guys for coming and shop with me today at Trader Joe's, and I will catch y'all at the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby.